Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss arithmetic mean versus geometric mean. That means what are the problems in which geometric mean is more effective and arithmetic mean doesn't give you a correct result. So if you look into this particular problem right here, it says the return on an investment for first period of investment is 100% and for the next period of investment is negative 50%, and what is the average return. So my problem here is to find out the average return. So I can do it in one of the two ways. The first thing I can do is with the knowledge of my arithmetic mean, in order to find out average return, I can use a simple arithmetic mean formula, which is sum of values divided by number of values. So I have my first year return as 100%, the second year return is negative 50%, and I can divide it straight away by 2, and this gives me a 25% return at the end. So this is what arithmetic mean tells me, that if this thing continues, then 25% is going to be the return, which doesn't seem a right calculation for me. So I have already explained you that whenever you are dealing with the problems of rate of change, you should actually go with the geometric mean. And I'm going to make use of the third formula right here of geometric mean, which is a little modified formula in order to solve such kind of problems where the rate of return is discussed. So let's you make use of this third formula. So I'll put the formula right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go for geometric mean. So what it says, the formula says 1 plus x1 times 1 plus x2 and then raised to the power 1 by n minus 1. So what I'm going to take x1 and x2 as, x1 is 100% and I can represent it by 1, and x2 is negative 50%, so I'll represent it by negative 0.5. So 100% I am representing it by 1, and negative 50% I am going to represent it by 0.5, of course with a minus sign. This is x1 and this is x2. So these are the things which I'm going to use in the formula. Let's go ahead. So it is going to be 1 plus x1 is 100%, which is 1, times 1. Now it is negative 0.5, x2 is negative 0.5, so minus negative 0.5. I have two values, 1 and 2, so n becomes equal to 2, half minus 1. If I further solve it, it's 2 times 0.5 raised to the power half minus 1, and this overall calculation gives me 1 raised to the power half minus 1, and that gives me a 0. And if I convert it into percentage, it is also going to come out as 0%. So geometric mean tells me that return on such kind of investment is going to be 0%. So you can verify the result right here. So geometric mean has given you the average return is going to be 0%, while arithmetic mean told you that it is going to be 25%. Let's check it. If I invest rupee 1 for first period of investment, 100% return, that gives me rupees 2. And now this rupees 2 is going to be invested for next time period. The return is negative 50% and I get rupees 1 at the end. So I have started with rupees 1, I ended with rupee 1. The simple arithmetic tells me that there is a 0% return actually, which is verified by geometric mean here, not by the arithmetic mean. So this is the problem which discusses arithmetic mean versus geometric mean, what kind of cases in which you can compare both the means. And I think whenever I talk about rate of change, I'm going to put up the formula once again in front of you. This is the formula of geometric mean which you should use to get the correct answer. Thank you very much.